Hi guys, Yuri Zaritsky, Lucidity for All, and I'm your lucid dreaming and astral projection coach, or how I like to call it, the shift into other kinds of experience, of your consciousness, having fun in other places than waking reality. The subject of today is gonna be what can you do in this kind of experience, in the shifts. That is a very important subject because why do all of this if you don't know why? So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe, and if you like what I do, leave a like. It's like a temperature measurement for me to know if you enjoy what I do, and it's also your way to say thanks. Activate the notifications so you don't miss out the upcoming learning videos before year end 2023 for you to become proficient in the shift into lucid dreams and astral projection. Okay guys, so let's dive into the subject. What can you do, and your plan of action. The things that you can do, we will talk about it in a short while, but why it is important to know. It is your primary motivation to do what you are doing here. To wake up middle of the night and performing all the techniques and learning and spending time, your energy, and listening to Yuri and reading books and listening to other bloggers, teachers around the world, etc. All of that, it requires time and energy. You need to know why you are doing it. So for that, please find some creative, interesting task to perform. Beginners usually don't have this problem because you can spend years on flying. Until today, I still enjoy flying. I used to be, I wanted to become military pilot before, and then I became Pacific. I realized that will require dropping bombs, and I'm against war and violence. So I stopped that, but I like flying. So in my experiences, I still fly, and I do pirouettes and 360 and all kinds of sudden change of direction, etc. Flying is beautiful. And diving into the ocean, you can dive and breathe under the water, and flying in space, flying into the orbit of Earth, flying around the Earth, going to the moon, visiting the planets. The solar system, go beyond the solar system, the galaxy, and then the universe, all the other galaxies, and then teleportation into I would say teleportation, or maybe going instead of saying teleportation, going to other dimensions, transcending the 3D dimension. What does it mean? Transcending time, what does it mean? So in terms of experiences, shift allows quite a bit of degree of freedom for you to experiment and do very, very interesting things. You can try eating food. It seems trivial for waking state, but trying to eat some food in the dream state is amazing. Itchy subject, but some guys are interested by sexual experiences. That's my son. He just showed us the little baby bird. So he constructed a small house for the little bird. Okay, so see you soon. Okay. Sexual experiences. Some guys maybe can't get a partner, or some guys are far away from their partners. Some guys are shy, whatever reason, So that's another activity. Finding information, finding some secret information, something that you are not supposed to know, or you seem to be not in the information cloud that would allow you to get some information, yet you get to that information. So all of this healing your body. In my group of students, we have a few guys who have performed healing successfully for things that have been recurrent imbalances that stayed with them for years, 5-6 years for some of them, and the healing has been performed within 1 week. They have healed some issues within their body. So this is real stories that I have with me, next to me, my own healings too. It's not for this video, but for another video. So the applications are infinite. So do not forget all of this, what to do. It's nice to have it beforehand, before you start to do your techniques and your attempts to induce the shift, because it gives you motivation, and that is very important. When I do the technique, I know what I'm looking for. So that's the excitement. I'm not doing techniques at the beginning. It's exciting and you expect the result of the technique. It's exciting on its own to shift, to get the result, to alter your perception and enter the world where the gravity does not apply. It's exciting on its own, and to see how each technique works it's exciting. But after a while, it becomes less exciting. You become more. I become more accustomed to the results of certain techniques. So the excitement is no more from the practice, but is more from the what can I do? What kind of experience can I live? So you can combine these two excitements from the beginning, and as your practice progress, as you start to put hundreds of experiences with in your luggage, you keep the excitement with what you are doing. And so keep, and that is also giving you some kind of direction. It still happens to me. Sometimes I live my life just flowing, and I don't have any plan. But when I wake up in the morning and I shift it, and I didn't know what to do, and I try to remember what I was supposed to do, and I mean during the shift itself, I'm telling myself, Yuri, what is it you want to do? And I don't remember. I'm a little bit itchy, I could have accomplished something, and I didn't pre-plan anything. So so you get the picture. So that's the lesson of today. Have a plan of action. Have some exciting tasks that you want to perform beforehand, so that you don't come back empty-handed from the shift, like it happened to me, like I just told you. Okay, if you enjoy what I do, give me some likes. It's like you giving me some flowers, so your way of say thanks. And if you are excited by the information and would like to learn in a more studious kind of environment, visit my website lucidityforall.com. I have a course already put well in place, and you can join that course and learn everything A to Z. And there is also a very exciting package. It's called Unlimited, where you can have as many classes with me as you wish. So it's costly, but not very costly too, because you don't have to pay for the trip, and you don't have to pay for upcoming classes. It's a one-time deal, lifetime relationship with me, until you get, if you're not bored, but so far my students don't get bored with me, so it looks like it's fine. And so it's a lifetime deal. You have as many classes with me as you need, and we share the journey until your proficiency and my proficiency too. I'm sharing with you guys. So okay, guys, that's it for today, and see you in about week time for the upcoming class next week. And subscribe, like, activate the notification so that you know when the next class is on. Yuri Zaritsky, Lucidity for All, signing out. See you guys soon. Ciao.